Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today is July 4th, 2024, and this video was made on November the 14th, 2022, the day I arrived in Indiana. I arrived around 2:30 a.m., having to report to work at 6:30 a.m. that morning. And by the time I arrived, the office to my new residence was closed. So I slept for a few hours at a nearby hotel until it was time for me to make my way to work. And after work, I made my way home and started to get settled. I knew I would be arriving before my furniture, so I had the movers pack this sofa bed that was once in my office/craft space from my old home into my vehicle to carry along with me to my new location. I was thinking ahead and I wanted something nice to sleep on. So this is where you see me setting up the sofa to get cozy. I brought my TV and my computer with me as well. Also, this video is part 1 of me moving in, so stay tuned for part 2 with me moving out. And no, I didn't fall asleep. I was just really tired. And before you say something about the shoes, forget about it. I wasn't in this town hall long, but I did capture a few not so much decorative photos that I will insert at the end of the video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.